In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save your Instagram story as a draft. Now, the first step would be to update your Instagram app to the latest version. Now, updating your Instagram app is very simple. Most people know how to do it, and I do have videos on my channel showing you exactly how to do that. So once you've updated to the latest version, open up Instagram. Then when you're on your homepage, you can either tap on your story at the top there where it shows all the story circles, or you can just swipe to the right to go to the stories feature. Once you're on your stories, you just want to create your story. So I'll just record something real quick and then you can decorate it however you would like. And now when you are ready to save this story as a draft, all you need to do is tap on the X button at the top left hand corner, and then this menu will appear and it says discard and then save draft underneath that. If you tap on save draft, the draft will now be saved, and it does get saved for 7 days. So after 7 days, it will be permanently deleted. Now, how you see your saved drafts is you want to tap on that upload button there at the bottom left hand corner. It will load up your gallery, and next to the gallery button, it says drafts now. So tap on drafts, and there you'll be able to see your drafts and with a countdown of when it will be permanently deleted. Now, if you're not seeing the save draft button when you exit out of the Instagram story, just give it a couple of days. Instagram has announced that it is a global rollout, but even with that being said, some people will have it and some people won't. So just wait a couple of days or so and then you should have the feature. So that is how you save an Instagram story as a draft. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.